Hey, what are you doing?
I'm just looking for some stuff. Don't worry, not taking anything. But you know what you should do? You should just chill, bro. I'm just trying to check up on you. No. So I'll leave it to you.
Okay, so
there's no
you
reason to
are
get
still
any more upset
here,
already.
okay?
I'm trying to
Okay.
find stuff. I'm
Okay.
not taking anything.
Stop.
Like you want to
You're
fight?
asking already
Because
too many
questions. Because you're still here.
Go
away.
Swear to God!
It's a lot of talk right there. So let's go. Come
You
on,
know what?
bring it. I've had it. Like just do something. All right. Now that was crazy.